बस या बाकी फिर कभी से कल से
you end the session now and then remain tomorrow.
For those who are new here, we just want let them know that we have open hours for this meeting every day from 10 to 12 in the morning and 6 to 8 in the evening. So you are welcome to come as much as you can.
End the session. Those of you who wish to shift the room. दूसरे कमरे में ले जाएं.
You can come here. Like,
sit down.
Sit down. This car is
किस वक्त की बात है ऐसी चार कौन है उसको चार कौन है कलाम करता है वो अल्लाह.
In all the different languages we call him God, Rabb, Khuda, Om, but his original name in the language in which he speaks to the angels is Allah.
वो जो जिसको सब मानता है ना वो सबसे ज़्यादा बेहतर है उसको.
And the name that all people believe in, that is his original name. And all people, all religions and all humanity believes in this one name. It's the original name, which has been so since the beginning of time.
बोले अगर चाहे तो जिक्र ले ले सीख ले किस तरह अल्लाह होता है.
Sakar said that if you would like us to teach you how this is done, how your heartbeat is converted from simply ticking into vibrating God's name, we will teach you. Yes, sir.
इसको तो पहले बताया ना कागज के पर अल्लाह लिखे फिर उसको देखती है.
Yes, sir. First and foremost, you have to write the name Allah on a piece of paper, just as it is written there on the paper, and then you must look at that as much as you can. Try to bring it into your eyes.
अगर ये पसंद नहीं है दूसरा तरीका बलवल बता दे.
But if you don't want to do it this way, then the second way of doing it is to write the same name Allah on a small bulb in yellow ink, and then to have that in your bedroom or in some place where you can look at it each night before you sleep.
तो फिर वो आंखों में आएगा.
After a few days of either looking at the paper or looking at the bulb, you'll see it actually appears in your vision. Try to bring it onto your heart.
तो इसका मतलब है कि अब ये अल्लाह का बंदा हो गया.
Once it appears on your heart, you will see it written. That means then now you belong to God.
फिर जब वो दिल पे आएगा ना फिर दिल की धड़कन तेज हो जाएगी. वो दिल का तस्वीर.
So when you see it written on your heart, you will notice that your heart starts to beat fast. Tick, 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 tick.
उस टिक टिक के साथ अल्लाह ला मिलाए.
Then with each and every heartbeat, you have to try to match Allah, 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 Allah.
फिर उसके साथ अल्लाह ला जो है ना वो खून में जाएगा.
Then once Allah, Allah is matched with the heartbeat, then through the pumping action of the heart, it will go into the blood.
तो जो कोई चीज़ खून में चली जाती है ना फिर वो निकलती नहीं.
Once something goes in the blood, it's very difficult to take that thing out.
फिर खून से होती हुई वो अंदर रूहों तक पहुंच जाएगी.
From the bloodstream till then get to the souls inside.
रूह अल्लाह ला करना शुरू कर
Then they will awaken themselves and start to chant the name just as you do it verbally.
तुम सोता रहेगा काम काज करता रहेगा वो अल्लाह ला करता है.
At that point you will sleep and do your daily business and work, but they will chant the name of the Lord inside.
कभी कभी हाथ रखे दिल धर के अल्लाह.
Sometimes put your hand on your heart, feeling your heartbeat. With each and every beat say Allah, Allah.
कभी नब्ज़ पे हाथ रखे.
Sometimes feeling your pulse in your wrist. With each and every pulse, again say Allah, Allah. Imagine it's going through your bloodstream through your heart.
अगर चाहे कि ये जल्दी कामयाब हो जाए तो उसके लिए कोई वर्जिश करे.
If you wish that you will succeed in this great speed, then do some form of physical exercise.
या छत से नीचे ऊपर.
Or walk up and down the stairs.
उससे जब दिल धड़के उस धड़कन के साथ अल्लाह.
When you feel your heart beating fast, then stop doing that And with each and every beat, say Allah, Allah.
तो फिर ये मेहनत करेगी ना, पर अगर अल्लाह ने इसको चाहना तो इसके अंदर से अल्लाह शुरू हो
Then
जाएगा.
you will make this effort on your behalf. Then if God so wishes for you, He'll convert your heart from simply beating into chanting.
फिर जब अल्लाह होगा ना तो अल्लाह का नूर इस दिल में इकट्ठा हो
Then when
जाएगा.
your heart recites His name out all times, then the light that is created by the continuous commemoration, it'll be found in your heart. Get collected there.
तो वही लाइट है जिसके जरिए अल्लाह से कनेक्शन होता है.
It is that light through which you are connected with God.
फिर ये इधर बात करेगा तो उधर जाएगा, इधर प्रे करेगा उधर जाएगा.
Then you will speak here or you will do some sort of worship through your heart will actually reach God.
तो इसके लिए जुबान से पढ़े फिर अल्लाह
Repeat after Shah Sahib, Allah. This is how they teach you how to recite.
अल्लाह
You have to repeat after that. Allah.
Allah,
अल्लाह
Allah,
अल्लाह
Allah,
अल्लाह
Allah,
अल्लाह.
Allah.
बस
That's it.
वो तो जब लिखेगा पता नहीं रात को लिखेगा कब लिखेगा, अभी से ही अल्लाह अल्लाह करना शुरू कर
The
देगा.
writing
साइलेंट.
or the looking at the paper or the bulb, you may start tonight or tomorrow. But what you can do from straight away, just from now, is focus on your heart, think about your heartbeat, and try to match with that Allah, Allah, Allah.
फिर ये भूल जाएगा, फिर ख्याल रखे अल्लाह अल्लाह, फिर भूल जाएगा, फिर ख्याल करे अल्लाह अल्लाह.
Many times in a day you will think towards your heart, then you'll forget, then you'll think again. Each time whenever your mind goes towards your heart, try to match with your heartbeat, Allah, Allah.
पर जिस दिन इसके दिल के साथ अल्लाह अल्लाह मिल गया ना, उस दिन इसको अल्लाह ने मंजूर कर लिया.
And that day when your heartbeat actually accepts the name and is converted into chanting the name of the Lord, that day God has accepted you.
ये गारंटी है.
This is a guarantee.
हाँ, फिर तू जैसा भी है,
Isn't it?
फिर अल्लाह ताला आस्ता आस्ता खुद ही तुझे बिल्कुल पाक साफ कर देगा.
And then whatever your nature is, however you behave or whatever you do, doesn't matter because God will then slowly and surely turn you into the way He wants you to turn you.
Well, I've had very little effect on my own life except through my spiritual.
So कह रही मेरी जिंदगी पर जो भी असर सूख रहा है वो रूहानियत के जरिए रहा है, रूहानियत से दिलचस्पी और ये इसी चीज़ को मैंने अपना गाइड बनाया हुआ.
नहीं, मतलब वो सिर्फ दिलचस्पी है ना, लेकिन रूहानियत तो नहीं है. रूहानियत स्टार्टिंग
जिसका
दिल स्टार्ट होता फिर वहीं चलती है ना.
जिसका Shazab said that the effect maybe of spiritualism or one may be interested in spiritualism, but actual living spiritualism is the heart. This is where it starts from, and it is something practical, not just theoretical.
तो
Yes, I understand.
फिर जब लाइट आती है उसमें नूर आता है ना, तो फिर रूहानियत है.
So when the light is created and the light comes inside a person's heart, that is spiritualism. So there were some things in that.
लेकिन ये भी होता है कि जो लोग इसकी तलाश में होते हैं, इसका मकसद है वो लोग अल्लाह वाले हैं, लेकिन अभी उनको मंजिल मिली नहीं, तलाश कर रहे हैं, वो भी बेहतर लोग हैं.
And Sakar is saying those people are good also, that at least it indicates that they are people of God, at least that in their life they search for spiritualism, they search for the love of God.
तो फिर जिनको अल्लाह की तलाश होती है उनको अल्लाह ताला एक दिन मंजिल दे ही देता है.
And those people that seek God, a day does come then when God gives them their station, gives them their desires.
तो जब कोई उसकी तरफ जाता है ना, रास्ता तो दिल से जाता है ना, तो जब दिल से चलता है ना तो 10 कदम उसको और खींचता है ना अपने.
When somebody yearns towards God's love and His essence, then God pulls that person towards Himself 10 times more, at greater speed.
और जब कोई उसकी तरफ पुष्ट करता है तो फिर उसको और किक मारता है ना, और पीछे भगाता है.
When somebody vice versa turns their back upon God, then He kicks them even more away from His love and His essence.
इसके बगैर कुछ लोग अमल करते हैं, कुछ पढ़ लेते हैं, कुछ मखलूकों से रब्ता हो जाता है, एंजल से भी हो जाता है, ऐसी पढ़ाइयाँ हैं, लेकिन वो सिर्फ मखलूकों से रब्ता होता है, अल्लाह से तो नहीं होता.
So there are some people that do some sort of recitals and they read things and they have connection with angels and other spiritual creatures.